Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a little bit of an ombre here. So I am taking two colors, or two whites, or two light colors from a Double Dip. I'm using Charlie's Angel and Fancy Butterfly. So this is a glitter and this is a solid white. So what I'm thinking is I am going to do an ombre, and I recently chopped off all of my nails. I mean, like, literally all gone. So I wanted to show you what it's like to do dip powders on very, very short nails, because I know a lot of people like to wear dip powders to grow out their nails. So I figured I would go ahead and show you on super, super, super short nails. And I am going to do an ombre. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the solid white, the Charlie's Angels, on the entire nail, and then towards the cuticle area, I'm going to fan this down. So I'll walk you through that when I go over it. If you guys have been with me, you know I'm a gel girl. All right, so I have a fully clean nail, and I am just going to take a nice thin coat. So I do have gel on, like I said. So my prep is already done. If you are going on with a naked nail, per se, I would go ahead and do a single layer of your base coat, which is this right here, cure it, and then come in with a second layer, which is essentially this layer, and then do your dip powder. So you have a protective layer, and then you have the layer going in with the dip powder. Gonna take this white, and you guys know I like to pour my gel on top of my nail. I like to pour it on top because with gel, it's more likely to move. So with the normal powders, it's less likely to move because gel is a little bit thicker. And I'm just gonna tap that off. Give it a second to kind of settle in. Let it do its thing, and then give it a cure. I gave that a flash cure. So I'm going to come in again. And I'm not one of those people that has to go all the way back to the cuticles. The gel I currently have on is about a week old, so I'm kind of really just matching my current grow out. And all I'm using is a swatch stick, by the way. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that, and then I'm going to repeat this process. So I have fully cured this. I'm gonna go ahead and dust it off, but I'm gonna dust it off over here away from this setup. So, looks like I got a little overzealous there. I don't know why that did that, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do another layer. Yes, I dipped because it's super thin that time, because I really do not need a ton on there. So that is what we are working with. I'm going to buff these. For these guys that I had another layer on, I'm actually going to take a file and just kind of file them down ever so slightly. All right, we're gonna go in with our second layer. Again, I'm keeping this super, super thin. I mean, super thin. Do y'all want to know something really funny or not funny? There was either pink, this pink specifically, either on my buffer in here, even though I just washed it, or on the nail file. Now it's a little pink. That's annoying. I'm gonna go in with their no wipe top coat. And this is personal preference. You can go in with another thin layer of base and then go in with the top coat. You can double top coat this. I find I don't mind if there is just a little bit of bumps because it's more on the edge of my nail. Maybe that's why I always do it in the back, because I don't like the edge of my nail to feel a little lumpy. But honestly, I can't feel it in the back. And I'm gonna cure this one by itself. All right, here we are, little guys. It's crazy to see my nails so short and like see this below it, but I think this would help quite a few people who have shorter nails and want to use dip powder to grow them out. Again, I use Charlie's Angel and Fancy Butterfly. And I do have a discount code. I will link everything below and have it on the screen. But yeah, don't mind the pink. I'm sorry about that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.